Hey guys, if you're selling on Amazon and your brand in under health and wellness category, in other words, you are selling supplement on Amazon. Here's what I want you to do before Prime Day. Okay, so number one, don't do whatever Amazon say. So you may receive a lot of messages from Amazon. Hey, increase your PPC bid, put more money on it, run more advertisement, run more DSP. Stop. Don't do. Okay, that's the first things you will do. Number two, stop all the what do you call you need to be reduce all the you go each and stop all the AI tools that you're using in your Amazon for these 2 days or 3 days or whatever, right? Why? Because most of the AI PPC tools, so-called PPC tool, they are they just know one thing: how to do the bid strategy, like increase the bid, lower the bid, higher the bid, whatever, right? Like, and you don't have any control. So if you pause these things, you know exactly what's going on. So stop. Number one is like don't do whatever Amazon say. Number two is stop all AI tools that right now connected with your Amazon PPC. I don't know if it is going to be easy for you, but this is the reality. Number three, you have to make sure all the campaign that you're running put a lower bid, like 0.05 cents, because in supplement industry in normally Prime Day it doesn't matter. Yeah, there's a sales spike on this, but like this is not like electronic or anything else that shopper wanted to buy like as a window shopper, right? So you have to carefully kind of follow up these 2 day. The only thing you need to care, like, you don't want to drain the money, because there is going to be so many click on Amazon, there is going to be so many what do you call PPC spend on Amazon. Everybody will spend money, but guess what? You're not gonna make money on this Prime Day. Amazon is going to be make money, so you have to be careful if you care about the money you're spending on Amazon. So go each and every campaign, put a default bid of 5 cents. Okay, what happened after 2 p.m. or so most of the time that's what we saw. I'm talking about last 8 years that we saw. So we saw that after 2 p.m., most of the brand that running massive budget, they go out of the budget, okay? And then Amazon, whatever click you will get is going to be cheapest click. So that's how you will get cheapest click on Prime Day. Okay, so don't bid highest, bid do the lower the bid all the way down. That's number three is like you can do budget rule, like there is a Amazon, and this is one of the things that Prime Day is work very good. So inside campaign you will select the budget rule. Hey Amazon, if you give me 3 return or 2 return, whatever your expected return on ad spend, that I will increase my budget. But make sure you lower the bid, because that's how you protect yourself. Okay, and don't expect that is going to be like 5 times 10 times bigger if you're selling on supplement, right? Because in supplement industry the main KPI is subscribe and save. So you have to make sure that you take advantage of this Prime Day in a different way, not like the Amazon way. So the biggest thing that we don't follow Amazon. Whatever Amazon say, we do opposite. If Amazon say run the advertisement for this keyword, we don't run them. If Amazon say increase the bid, we don't do them. If Amazon say make sure you have a highest budget on that day, we don't do. We opposite. We lower the budget, right? We just try to play like we try to take advantage of like our competitors. We try to target ASIN. Okay, we try to lower the bid so that we force Amazon to give more click to our listing after a certain period of time. And then this is always works. So there's a campaign we call one keyword campaign. What that means, we run a one word keyword as a broad match. Okay, I will maybe show you in my next video. We run and we force Amazon to give us 5 cents click. So these are the tips and tricks you can follow, and most importantly, these 2 day don't follow your kind of campaign. Okay, so in 2016 or 17 there is something happened, like we just take it normal, do everything whatever Amazon say we do. Oh, most of the client, oh, Amazon is suggesting these, that means that's it, there is something good on my for my brand, right? and in overnight we lost 30 to 40,000 dollars on that day. And from that day, after 2017, we are doing all opposite whatever Amazon's saying. So the point is, if you're selling on Amazon and health and wellness category, do everything opposite whatever Amazon suggests. Don't do. Okay, thank you very much for watching the video. For these types of tips, follow my channels, and I'll try to bring some of the you know tips that nobody talking about. And my main intention is, I want your brand to make more net profit, not the total sales. And I will give you all the tips how you can optimize your net profit. Thank you very much. I will see you in my next video.